This is the refrigeration test list which is used in refrigeration process to find out the COP. It consists of the four basic components, that is compressor, it is hermetically sealed compressor, then it is condenser, then expansion valve, and then is evaporator. Okay. There are four basic components, that is compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and evaporator. In compressor, that is used hermetically sealed compressor in which low pressure, low temperature vapor refrigerant will get compressed and the pressure and temperature get increases, and this high pressure, high temperature vapor form of refrigerant is passed to the condenser. Now what is the function of condenser? Condenser is used for cooling purpose of the refrigerant. Okay. So here are two color lines. First, red line indicates the vapor form and yellow line indicates the liquid form. When the refrigerant passes from the compressor to condenser, the pressure remains constant. Only the temperature gets changes from high pressure from high temperature to low temperature. Here, heat phase changes from vapor to liquid. Now, this refrigerant is in liquid form as shown in the red yellow line. Is filter in the filter where some dry particles or moisture is present, it gets removed. Then it is passed to the expansion device, that is expansion valve. The function of the expansion valve is to decrease the pressure of the refrigerant passing through it, and then it is passed to the evaporator. Now what is the function of evaporator? As we see, evaporator is used for the increasing the temperature of the refrigerant and changing the phase from the liquid to vapor. Because after evaporation process, we have to pass the refrigerant to the compressor in vapor form. Now, in this experiment, we can measure two pressure, that is suction pressure and discharge pressure. Where suction pressure is the pressure where before compression we can measure the pressure in terms of PSI and in terms of kg per centimeter square. And second pressure is discharge pressure, where we can measure the pressure after compression in PSI and in kg per centimeter square. So first we start the compressor. After starting the compressor, the refrigerant is flow from the compressor and it is sent to the condenser. After condenser, it is sent to the expansion valve and then evaporator. Here we can measure four different temperatures displayed on the board, that is T1, T2, T3 and T4. T1 temperature is before compression temperature. T2 temperature is after compression, that is before condensation, and T3 temperature, that is after expansion, and T4 temperature is after evaporation. Here we can measure four different temperatures, and based on this we can plot the chart based on the pressure enthalpy chart. Here we can measure the energy, how much energy consumed in the compressor by clipping